Hello everyone, I'm Jim with CAD Dimensions. Today's tech tip is about customizing the toolbox. Today we're going to customize the toolbox so it only shows the hardware that we use, and we're going to add our in-house part numbers and descriptions to the hardware. So let's get started. First, you may need to enable the add-in. So if we go up to add-ins, find our SOLIDWORKS toolbox library, and select both the active add-in and startup and hit OK. Now our toolbox is present. We're going to go up to the configure toolbox icon in the upper right. I'm going to select that. Now I've already deselected a lot of items to speed up this process. So you can see all these standards are already unchecked. If I go into my ANSI inch, I've also done the same at this level. I'm just going to deselect a few more. Then we're going to select that and go even lower. So now I've only have machine screws available to me. And the selection's already been limited by me. So if we go into our hand crosshead, now we can limit it by size, length, thread display. For example, I have mine selected to only offer me the simplified versions of them. But if we go to size, I've got everything underneath a number 6 disabled already, since I don't use anything smaller. And you can see here, I've already begun to put my part numbers in. So this is our part number and our description, and these should both show up in the feature manager in SOLIDWORKS and in a BOM when you're working with a drawing. This helps us match the nomenclature in our company. So here, let's add one more. And our description. So now that we've got some part numbers to work with, we're going to go over to define user settings, or number 3 at the top. Now in here, I changed my display options for show as component name and feature manager. I want it to show as a part number. And also for bill of materials, I want it to show as a part number. So now that we have those settings done, we save. I can close this, and let's take a look at how that works. Here we go. Now, you can see my list is very short. It's just the one standard, the one category, and the one type of hardware. So I'm going to drag that into my assembly. And when I do that, see up here, I have part numbers to choose from. So I'm going to choose this. And we're just going to continue that process. And now you can see my part number carries over as well as my description. And that should also work in the BOM of a drawing also. So I hope this helps you set up a system that works for you. And as always, thanks for watching.